Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be doing this freestanding garland for a baby shower. The colors will be listed in the description box, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for the freestanding garland, if you guys see, I have like the lamp poles from Walmart, and I did put a 5-pound weight on it. You can do 10 pounds as well, so it don't move around. And then this is a PEX pole that I already had. I just cut it down to maybe 6.5 feet or something and kind of bend it at the top, and I slid that down the pole lamp, and then I am going to basically just fill it out around. Pretty simple. I just had like clusters of 6 balloons and quads of 4 balloons, and I'm just going to fill it out to get like that half garland. I wasn't really trying to do anything too crazy. Again, it was just a freestanding garland. I just wanted to make it look nice and full, so I did, we went back to the old days where we just do the half garland. So this is pretty much what's that. I'm using quads of 4 balloons to go on the sides to like thicken out the bottom part, and then on the floor I'll use like clusters of 6 balloons and quads for that. But right now we're just using I use neck to neck for everything. So I am tying neck to neck, and I think, did I ever use a 260 for this setup? I don't think so, but everything I'm just tying neck to neck. Pretty simple, pretty quick and easy. Nothing too crazy. And I'm just going in, making sure I like where I'm placing things. And this was pretty good. I think I did this within probably not even an hour, probably like 45 minutes. Not that long. I had everything already inflated. I think I probably inflated like 1 quad or something, and then that was it. But here I'm just adding in a cluster of the pink at the bottom with some 16 inches in them, and then adding on a quad now. And I'm tying neck to neck, you guys, as I mentioned already. And I think I can go through the colors really quick. The colors were hot pink. It was orange inside hot pink. I used Dusty Rose inside Pearl Lavender by Qualatex. And the pink, what color was that pink? I think the pink was Rose by Qualatex inside Standard Pink. And I think the Standard Pink I got from Sempertex. So we use everybody in this bunch because the hot pink is by Tuftex. So we use everybody in this mix. But yeah, so right now I'm just continuing to add on the quads and things like that, so I can fill out the bottom part and thicken it out so it can look like something. And I really like, and this is my first time doing, I did a freestanding before like so long ago, and I had used like a paver and a lamp and blah blah blah. It was a lot. And I did use PEX as well, but this one is much more convenient. This is much easier. Even a 5-pound weight was pretty good. Only reason why I would do 10 pound. Well, no, I think the 5-pound was good. Maybe 10. If it's outdoors, I would do a 10-pound weight. But I know the lamps, and once you start adding a lot on them, sometimes they can start lifting up, and it's irritating. So that's why I wanted to put a weight on it so it's not moving, and it's easy to manage kind of thing, and it's not falling all over the place. But I'm just going in, adding in quads where I think is needed, and just tying them on neck to neck, and just stepping back, making sure I like what I see. I don't like that little pink 16-inch sticking out, but I think I'm going to move that around. And replace that and figure that out. But that's how that's looking. I think I turned that quad to a cluster of, or was that just a dupe? I think that was a quad, and I turned it to a cluster of 6 balloons so it can be really nice and thick. And I'm just, making sure I push the balloons to the back a little bit so they're not like sitting right on the side. Yeah. And just figuring out where to add the rest of these. I kind of had a little bit too many big 16 inches than I would have liked. Next time I wouldn't add so many 16 inches. but it wasn't too bad. It still looks good. And I think I just added maybe 1 or 2 quads at the top where the purple at, to kind of, because you see it looks kind of thin up there. So with that purple at the top, I am going to add a quad up there as well to kind of fill it out so it can really like blend in. And then that's that. This was actually a baby shower for an old coworker. Like, when the last time I worked? Like 7 years ago. I used to work at like Ann Teller. And and she reached out to me. She submitted a quote, and then she was like, and she wasn't sure. And then when I responded to the email, it has like my name in it. She's like, "Did you work at Intel?" I'm like, "Yes." It's so funny. It's like a really full circle moment. Like the fact that we was able to meet up again, and I'm doing her baby shower is just amazing. So it was really nice. She gave me a gift bag to go. And the brownie was really good. It was really nice to just see her again and see her at this milestone moment. Just, this is our first child, so really special, really special. But I'm adding on my 5 inches because I'm pretty much done. Yeah, we were done, and it looks so good, so good. Freestanding 45 minutes. Bing, bing, boom. We out. And this is how everything turned out, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.